Hey, good morning, everyone. So today is 19th of June. Bitcoin hasn't moved much since yesterday. It's still consolidating in this zone. We are still above the gap that we discussed on yesterday that happened over the weekend. Still expecting potential pullback in this area before any further upside. That's currently what I see. Most of the market hasn't really moved. ETH as well, which is a good proxy for most of the tokens, has stayed in this range. We could expect a retest of that zone, which is just 4% above. Ripple hasn't moved much. It's just doing kind of elevator stairs. Steps increase, but nothing really bullish on the alt market yet. It's kind of everything is waiting for Bitcoin to show the direction. The only kind of coins that have kind of piqued my interest is Monero. It retested its on the daily. Let's go on the daily real quick. It retested the higher level of the top of the consolidation zone, and made like a nice 5% move up. And versus BTC, it's currently testing support. So I'm just versus USD, sorry. So this is Monero. It's currently just retesting this resistance one more time. If we get a powerful break of it, we could eventually see a change in dynamic in Monero, which would be really nice. What I will expect is something like that, and an uptrend. It looks, just this chart looks very, very similar to where Bitcoin was before breaking the 6,000 level. So just as a matter, it might be playing the same fractal within the coming weeks. So just so we keep that in mind. If Monero moves, we might also see a correlation within the other anonymous coins, and Zcash has already done fairly well. It's at resistance as well, and Dash is the third big one to potentially make a move. So Dash is a bit late to the party. Actually, no, it was early. So you see, Dash has already punched through it. So that was the main resistance. Already punched through it, retested it, and kind of consolidating around that. I will expect to have another leg up on Dash versus USD. So now that means that Bitcoin will push up. Now, if we look at Dash versus BTC, let's see what we can see. It's not looking so clean and not looking so attractive. It's just basically bouncing down. There is a divergence forming, but that bullish setup we saw on the USD pair will imply that it's a Bitcoin-led move. Okay, so if Bitcoin were to go up, their USD pair will go up, and their BTC pair will go either sideways or down a little bit. So yeah, I think most of the alts are currently in the same setup and waiting for Bitcoin to get out of this consolidation area. The 3 days is not looking so great, but given the divergence, we might be making a little pullback to the 8,500 level, which is below the box that we discussed, and then further upside. So yeah, that's that for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget that this is not financial advice, and feel free to ask us any question in our social media channels. Thank you.